Hey guys, it's Maddie Carina. I'm here today with Sunglass Spot, and I just finished doing a summer makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I am starting off with an eyeshadow primer from Beauty Bakery. Then I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. Then I'm taking my Lime Crime Venus XL palette. Now I'm taking Kat Von D Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter in Gold School, and I'm going to put it on my lips. Now I'm taking some lashes from Pretty Little Lashes. Alright, for contour, I'm going to be using CoverGirl, the Chocoholic Contour Palette. And for blush, the CoverGirl Peach Punch Highlight Palette. And then back in with Gold School for my highlight. First I'm going to use Urban Decay Setting Spray. And then I'm going to add a couple beauty marks with Freck from Get Frecked. So now I'm going in with Dose of Colors matte lipstick in Bury Me Too. And then I'm going to take another Dose of Colors lipstick, and it's called Soft Touch. And then finally, if you want to add extra shine or sparkle, I'm going in with Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in Pink Pearl. Now I'm going to be showing you guys my 3 favorite pairs of clear glasses from Sunglass Spot. It adds a little something to your outfit if you need a little something something. So here is pair number 1. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.